Do you want to build a six-figure passive income stream? If so, it's time for you to invest in property. I'm going to tell you right now, there are a lot of misconceptions out there on how to build a portfolio. It's not about buying for tax reasons. You don't have to search for distressed properties all the time. You don't have to buy in only regional or in only capital cities. Do not buy 2 to 400k properties because they're cheap. It's not about building a property portfolio of 6 properties at 300,000 each. You don't have to do risky developments to make money in property. It's not about buying with a location strategy just because you have done a course. These ways couldn't be more than wrong in how you build a property portfolio without waiting 20 or 30 years to succeed. The biggest problem with property investing is that there is so much misinformation out there, and it can be overwhelming to know where to start or where to continue. How many times do you hear someone is maxed out and there is no way for them to continue? This is because they picked the wrong mentor and the wrong team from the start, or they try and choose to do the journey by themselves. Hi, I'm Scott Lavoon, the founder of Wealth Through Property. I started investing in property at the age of 30 years old while working a full-time job as a tradie. I wasn't on a big income, and within the space of 3 years, I chose the right mentors. I was able to build a system where I was able to retire with over 10 properties and over 100,000 in passive income. And now, I want to help you do the same. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with hard work, dedication, and the right mentors, you too can get the choices back in life most people don't get. If you haven't already, click the follow button below or book a 15-minute call to get started.